Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use templates on Picsart. Just select the templates button here and choose any template that you want. Of course, if there's a crown, it says premium, so just choose the one that doesn't have it. I think I'm going to choose this one. Just click on it. You can change the text here and also the font. I think, yeah, you can also change the font. For instance, you want to use this one instead, you can also edit the color if you want to do that too. You can also change the image that's on the kind of template. I think you can also change the background, but this is just to change the text mainly. So let's find another one like this one. You can also again change the text. I don't think you can change the image a bit, but if you want to maybe this one you can change more. Yeah, you can change the image of this, I think, here, and also the text for sure. So that is it basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Here, just press replace photo, by the way. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!